Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be going over our brand new Haltech S2. So we just had this in the post. Massive thanks to Haltech for helping us on this one. This ECU is actually going to be used for our new all-wheel drive build, the all-wheel drive Civic. So if you want to see it, up here somewhere. I don't know where Jack's got in shot, but yeah, there, up there, go up there. We've got the all-wheel drive build, just all the different things we're doing. So we're going to be running all this stuff on it. We just want to do a quick video just to run through the S2 and all the different things that it can do versus the Elite 1500, which I have here. So the S2 is the new Nexus platform that it shares with the R3 and the R5. Loads of different features they've added to it, so we're just going to run through that today, show you an unboxing and just go through all the different bits you can do with it. So in the Haltech box we have wiring diagram, which includes everything, all the different inputs and outputs for it. Double-sided, so you can figure out all the injectors and the ignition and all the other different bits that you need. Their quick start guide, which is incredibly useful, and some stickers. Look at that, amazing. Yeah, and their quick start guide, they've got like a mountain template. They have basically everything you need to get up and running as quickly as possible. We have the actual S2 itself, which is very, very pretty. We have a box. So the box has a nice little Haltech lanyard. We've got a USB-C cable that we're going to be going into later on. That is actually game changing, so we'll talk about that, and some mounting screws. So the main point of this video is to go between the S2 and the 1500. There's a couple of features on the S2 which the 1500 doesn't have, such as onboard wideband. They've now included the wideband controller in the actual ECU itself, so you don't need to run the WB1 controller like you would have had to with the Elite 1500. Now you can just plug the wideband hardware pack directly in. It will DTM plug straight to it, and that is it. You don't need to mess around anymore with that. That is going to save you probably, what, 150 odd pounds or around there, which is amazing. That also has an onboard 4-bar map sensor, which will do up to like 45 PSI boost, which is also really, really good. Another great feature is the S2 has onboard Wi-Fi, which is amazing. So when you're in a car, you can tune it without it. You can connect it to the new Haltech Connect app, which is awesome, and you can just have that on your phone. And yeah, the Elite 1500 just doesn't have Wi-Fi capability, so to be able to do that is amazing. The last amazing reason here to go with an S2 is the USB-C port. They've now included if I can find it, a USB-C port on the front, so you can plug it directly into a computer, laptop, whatever. You don't have to have wiring connected or anything, and you can go straight through it. You can edit anything you want, and you don't even need to have it connected. It will literally power by that, and also being USB-C, transfer speeds are ridiculously fast. So loads and loads of reasons to go over a 1500. There's a fly. so loads of reasons to go with that over the 1500. For the price point as well, it's not even that much more expensive. So when you consider wideband, Wi-Fi, USB-C, all the other different bits to go with it, it's a no-brainer, to be honest. We actually had this in the first shipment to the UK. So this exact one is going on our all-wheel drive Civic, which is going to be awesome. So the last thing we need to know is how to connect to it wiring-wise. So Haltech have released the same thing they did for the Elite series, where they've got plugs and pins, they've got unterminated harnesses, or they've got jump harnesses. So the plan is to connect the jumper harness that we've got here into their box, and then straight into the ECU, nice and easy. And also we have a flower lead here for the wideband, so we can just connect that straight to a wideband. Don't need to worry about the controller anymore, and it is literally plug and play all the way through. So they've got a couple of different options. I will link below in the description the section where you can go to the website and have a look at all the different configurations. And if you have any more questions on the S2 or the 1500 or anything we're showing today, just let me know. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.